Creating vertical text in Cricut Design Space isn't as simple as clicking a button, but it's very easy once you know the right techniques. The most common and flexible method involves ungrouping your letters. First, you will type out your word or phrase using the text tool on the left-hand panel. Once your text is on the canvas, select the text box. Look at the top menu bar for the advanced option, which is usually located next to the alignment and font tools. Click on Advanced and then choose Ungroup to Letters. This action breaks the word apart, making each letter its own individual layer and object. You can see these separate layers appear in the Layers panel on the right. Now, you can manually click and drag each letter. Simply stack them on top of each other in the correct vertical order. To ensure they are perfectly aligned, click and drag a selection box around all of your newly stacked letters. Then, go to the Align tool in the top toolbar. From the drop-down menu, select Center horizontally. This will instantly snap all of your letters into a perfect vertical line. This method gives you complete control over the spacing between each letter, which is great for custom designs. Another excellent method involves using the Enter or Return key on your keyboard. Start by typing the first letter of your word. Instead of typing the next letter, press the Enter key. Then type the second letter and press Enter again. Continue this process for every letter in your word. This keeps all the letters within a single text box, which can be easier to manage. To adjust the spacing between the letters, use the Line Spacing tool in the text edit bar at the top. Decreasing the line spacing will bring the letters closer together, while increasing it will move them farther apart. This method is great because the text remains editable. If you make a typo, you can just double-click the text box and fix it. A third, much faster option is the rotation method, though it produces a different look. Simply type your word as normal. Select the text box and rotate it 90 degrees. This will make the entire word vertical, but the letters themselves will be on their side. This is useful for certain designs, especially with script fonts, but it is not the same as stacked vertical text. Once you have your letters arranged vertically using either the Ungroup or the Enter key method, you need to prepare them for cutting. Select all of the letters. Then, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click the Weld button. Welding merges all the individual letter layers into a single, seamless shape. This is crucial because it tells your Cricut machine to cut the entire word as one object, preventing it from cutting out each letter individually. Using Weld ensures a clean and professional final product. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more Cricut tips and tricks.